I just lost a hand at poker, and because of that, to buy back in, I have to shotgun a beer. I know it's been a while since you guys have all done this, so we're going to go through this just so you all know how to shotgun a beer. First thing you want to do, well, grab the beer. Second, you need to make what you need to do is you need to make a good sized hole in the bottom there. This is where you're going to be drinking out of. So I prefer to use a knife, just because it's easy. You can also use keys, other things.
How'd you get out through TSN?
So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to carve a hole in it. Now this one, sometimes they're shaking up a little bit. That's okay. So we're taking the knife. You want it to be about the size of, I would say, a quarter or so.
A quarter?
Approximately the size of a quarter, because you want the beer to come out really easily, really quickly.
Wasting it.
Next. So next, careful, it's a little sharp sometimes here. Alright, we got our hole now.
Make sure you got your tetanus
shot. Next, what I want you to do is you go ahead, you're going to get ready, you're going to be opening the top. So before you go ahead and open it, go ahead and put your finger right on, like you're going to open the can.
Cleaning this mess up.
Get ready. I'm going to go ahead and tilt this up, and right as I start drinking, I'm going to go ahead and open the top so we can get air flowing through.
That's right, relax the jaw.
Oh, much better.
Yeah!
And that's how you shotgun a beer.
Yes!